Today, for your viewing pleasure, I have a Polaris 650 3-cylinder 2-stroke engine. Now, this is out of a jet ski. This engine was flooded. It was found underwater. So, I'm going to do a teardown on it and see what it's like inside of it. See if maybe it can be salvaged, or if anything, this thing's all aluminum to melt down in the foundry. So let's get into tearing this apart. First thing I'm going to do is remove this expansion chamber for the exhaust, and then I'm going to remove whatever this thing is, this intake, and pop the heads off and see what the cylinders look like. So I'll get started. And there's the expansion chamber. That's a hunky, heavy chunk of aluminum. Now, on a 2-stroke motor, the way the expansion chamber works is exhaust gases come out of the cylinders into it, and they expand, and then when they're compressed back down, they actually cause a vacuum inside the chamber, pulling out all the exhaust gases and then pulling in new fuel and air. So next, I'm going to pull off this part right here. I'm very surprised none of them twisted off. That is the outlet for the water. So screen here. I'll take this intake off. Now, for the moment of truth, what is this thing going to look like on the inside when I pull these 3 heads off? And we shall find out. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, boy. That is a very rusted cylinder. Wow. That one there, believe it or not, does not look nearly as bad. I know my lighting sucks right now. And that one there doesn't look too bad. Huh. Let's go ahead and pull this exhaust manifold off, and we'll go from there. That's what I'm dealing with. Look at the sand and the gravel inside that thing. Wow. So, I kind of think the next step might be to pull these cylinders. Alright, this cylinder's loose. Let's see if I can pop it loose. Haha! One cylinder off, finally. Ew. I'm feeling that crankcase is plumb full of junk. Now, got the carburetors all loose. There we go. Something about carburetors I really like. I don't know why. I'm fascinated with them. Yeah, boy. Plumb full of sand. Wow. Kind of suspected that would happen. Now I can get all that out of the way. There we go. Right, see if I can get this cylinder off. And here is the reed valves. And as you can see, look at the sand. Wow. A little rusty. The reeds don't look real bad. Crankshaft looks good and rusted up. Now, talk about reeds. Well, I think I'm gonna see what's in this here. Why is everything gotta be so tight? There's the charging system. Well, that's a nice big piece of cast aluminum. It's meltdown. Well, I hate to say it with this motor, there's nothing salvageable about it. It is total junk. it will be melted down. So I'm happy with that. That's a starter. Ah. Wow. Look at that disaster. Well, to conclude this fun little teardown of this here Polaris 650 jet ski motor, I kind of a little bit hoped that it would be a salvageable motor, but nah, everything in it is absolutely destroyed, shot from being totally flooded in water for, I have honestly no idea, but really the only use for this is I'm going to take all the aluminum parts and they will eventually be melted down and cast into ingots and turn into anything else, because this is cast aluminum, every piece of it, so it will be perfect for melting in the foundry and using. So now I've got a big old mess to clean up. I've got a lot of bolts to throw in the bin, and yeah, it was a fun little thing to do. Alright, well, until next time, get out there, just go make it. Thanks for watching.